A Europe Shopping Guide. Chapter 1, Europe Shopping. Shop tax-free in Europe. As a foreign citizen, you are paying tax in Europe that you don't owe. From 3% to 24% of the purchase price of nearly everything you buy contains a hidden value-added tax, VAT. To get the refunds you're entitled to, follow the next few steps. Shop where you see the tax-free shopping sign. Whenever you make a purchase, ask for the global refund check. Over 125,000 shops around the world offer this global refund service. When leaving the country, present your purchases and global refund checks to customs to get them validated. When shopping in countries within the European Union, EU, only declare your purchases when leaving the EU. Receive your cash refund by cashing your global refund checks at any global refund office worldwide or mailing them in. You can get currency converted there too. Cashback.it, EasyTaxFree.com, tax-back.com. Europe Tax-Free Shopping. 233 South Wacker Drive, Chicago, Illinois 60606. 312-382-1101. Refund Service. Global Refund. 99 Main St. Number 307. Nyack, New York 10960. 800 No VAT. 800-566-9828. 845-348-1549. GlobalRefund.com. Taxfree.com. Call for a free brochure. Global Refund. 707 Summer St. Stamford, Connecticut 06901. 800 No VAT. 800-566-9828. GlobalRefund.com. Taxfree.com. Call for a free brochure. Europe shopping websites at cali.org/en/regional/Europe/business_and_economy/shopping. Subcategories: Andorra, Armenia, Austria, Azerbaijan, Belarus, Belgium, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Croatia, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Faroe Islands, Finland, France, Georgia, Germany, Gibraltar, Greece, Guernsey, Hungary, Iceland, Ireland, Isle of Man, Italy, Jersey, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, Netherlands, North Macedonia, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Russia, Serbia, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Turkey, Ukraine, United Kingdom. Antiques and collectibles. Artists and galleries. Automobiles. Florists. Pharmacies. Related categories. Shopping ethnic and regional European. Chapter 2. Shopping in France. France shopping websites at cali.org/en/regional/Europe/France/business_and_economy/shopping. Subcategories. Directory S. Antiques and collectibles. Books. Clothing. Computers. Crafts. Flowers and gifts. Food. Furniture. Health products. Home and garden. Porcelain. Visual arts. Wine. Related categories. Regional Europe business and economy shopping. Madparrot.com, madparrot.com. Directory listing French and European online shops by category with keyword search. Find France shopping info. Fashion.feedspot.com/Paris_fashion_blogs. Lifestyle.feedspot.com/Paris_lifestyle_blogs. blog.feedspot.com/French_blogs. Influencers.feedspot.com/France_travel_Instagram_influencers. Food.feedspot.com/Paris_food_blogs. A French collection.com/top-100-French-blogs-and-websites. Beauty.feedspot.com/French_beauty_blogs. Family.feedspot.com/France_mom_blogs. Travel.feedspot.com/Paris_travel_blogs. Francesaist.com. myfrenchlife.org. Atesteofparis.net. A taste of Paris food and wine trips to France. France shopping websites. 78-79ILESAINTLOUIS.com, jewelry, gists. abbybookshop.com. Amazon.fr. blaspheme.fr, gift shop. bonjourparis.com. brentanos.fr, bookstore. shoy.com. colette.fr, general store. discoverfrance.net/France/Paris/Paris_shopping.shtml. editions-harmattan.fr, books. Euroconsumatory.org. francequis.com. franzmagazine.org. francezu.com. grain.de.sable.free.fr, hats. iem.fr, sex shop. kchle.com/France/shopping/shopping.htm. librarie-gallimard.com, books. lollipops.fr, handbags, jewelry. Posters and t-shirts.com/shop/s/France-posters.htm. virtualtourist.com/travel/Europe/France. visionfusion.net/local/France.htm. whsmith.fr, bookstore. Chapter 3. Shopping in Germany. Germany shopping websites at cully.org/en/regional/Europe/business_and_economy/shopping. Subcategories. Furniture. Auctionata.com, Auctionata. Online auction house for art and luxury collectibles. Benary.com, Ernst Benary Seed Growers Ltd. German wholesaler company for ornamental seeds. chrono24.com, Chrono24 GmbH. Marketplace for new and used luxury watches. cbns.eu, Sybens. Specializes in smoking control outdoor products. de.schott-music.com/intuition, Intuition's shopping gateway. Order records by Intuition and associated labels online. DECKENSHOP24.de, Deccan Shop 24. Offering cotton and microfiber blankets. ECHT-DESIGN.de, ICT, Schmuck and Design. 532-5569. 532-5569. Wholesaler for silver and stainless steel jewelry as well as titanium or tungsten items. fine-tools.com, Dieter Schmidt Fine Tools. Located in Berlin. Provides woodworking tools, traditional English saws, Japanese saws, planes, sculptor's tools, chisels, workbenches and scrapers. gourmet-web.com, gourmet-web.com. heinelt.de, Guntram Heinelt GmbH. Plastic foils processing for CD and DVD packaging, folders, pockets, self-adhesive products. With online shop. madparrot.com, madparrot.com. European-wide online shopping guide. muehle-shaving.com, Hans-Jürgen Müller KG. Produces a range of handmade shaving brushes finished with silver-tipped badger hair. Also offers shaving kits and accessories such as shaving soaps, shaving mugs, and straight blades. Powerslide.com, Powerslide Sporter Calvertrebes GmbH. Quality products for all types of skating, including accessories like protectors or helmets. Spieler-trikot.de, Spieler Tricoat. Vintage jersey shop for jerseys from 1950s until today. Selling Bundesliga jersey, Premier League jersey, Serie A jersey, Football UEFA European Championship jersey, Football World Cup jersey. sxt-scooters.de, SXT scooters. Presentation of several models. Thomanmusic.com, Thoman Cyberstore. German reseller of music instruments, related equipment and accessories, sheet music. Online ordering. TOTALLYWICKED-ELIQUID.de, Totally Wicked Illiquid, Europe, GmbH. Offering electronic cigarettes and accessories and illiquid products. Germany shopping at kali.org/en/shopping/ethnic_and_regional/European/German. almosteurope.net/shop, Almost Europe. Austrian, Bavarian, and Swiss gifts including pewter, ceramic, candles, clocks, antique barometers, snow globes, castle posters and calendars. Beersteinsinternational.com, German Mart, Ltd. Offers beer steins, mugs, and glasses. BlackForestGifts.com, Black Forest Gifts. Cuckoo clocks from the Black Forest and European gifts such as Steinbock nutcrackers. CHRISTKINDL-MARKT.com, Christkindl Mart, Inc. A German Christmas market and European gift shop offering genuine German-made nutcrackers, smokers, pyramids, candle carousels, wooden ornaments, and small toys. Designwood.de, Designwood. Offers German gifts from the Ore Mountains such as illuminated filigrane Gothic Christmas pyramids, light arches and Christmas stars in many shapes, window pictures, and candle holder angels in Friedsaw design. Dunderbach.com, Dunderbachs. Specializes in German and American gift baskets. Also offers gifts such as cuckoo clocks and beer steins. Ernstlicht.com, Ernstlicht embroidery and imports. Bavarian attire for men, women, and children including dirndls, leather pants, shoes, socks and hats. GDH-imports.com, GDH Imports. Sells a variety of imported German deli products, Christmas gift bags and holiday baskets. GermanyImporthaus.com, German import house. Importers of handcrafted items from Germany, including nutcrackers, smokers, pyramids, music boxes, candle holders, and wooden boxes. Specializes in original or garage German products. Germanplaza.com, German Corner. Offers a variety of items including Christmas gifts, clothing, houseware, table linen, party supplies, music, books, jewelry, books, and skultain. Germanshop24.com, Germanshop24.com. A wide variety of foods, beverages, and snacks, plus healthcare products, wooden art, toys, and German language magazines. Kaethe-wohlfahrt.com, Kathy Wolfart. Offers traditional German Christmas gifts including pyramids, smokers, music boxes and ornaments. mydirndl.com, German imports. Offers German goods such as Bavarian cuckoo clocks, lederhosen, beer steins, glasses, and dirndl. Sachsenimports.com, lace and linen from Plauen. Offers Plauener Spitze embroidery and lace and Christmas arches, Schwiboegen, from the Erzgebirge. Wonderinwood.co.uk, Wonder in Wood. Handmade wooden crafts from Germany. Includes nutcrackers, smoky men, Christmas pyramids, music boxes, and decorations. Germany shopping websites. howtogermany.com/pages/shopping.html. Shop.de Amazon.de epinions.com/fddk-beers-all-Germany Euroconsumatory.org Euromonitor.com/consumer_lifestyles_in_Germany Europa.eu/abc/travel/shop/index_n.htm GermanyBusinessShop.com germany-tourism.de shopping.superpages.com/Germany slowtrav.com/Germany viewsonic.com/where-to-buy/online.htm webverzeichnis-webkatalog.de/en Chapter 4 Shopping in Spain Spain shopping at cali.org/en/regional/Europe/Spain/business_and_economy/shopping at Spain.com at Spain 367-4338 367-4338 Offers home and decoration, accessories, collectibles, and antiques. Porcelanismercedes.com, Porcelanas Mercedes 367-4340 367-4340 Collection of jewelry products from Valencia. Sportsemotions.com, Football and Music Events Services SL 367-4342 367-4342 Tickets for football, concerts, opera, theater, sports, and music events. Tagoya.com, Tagoya 367-4343 367-4343 Online sales of martial arts supplies. Spanish, English. Spain products at cali.org/en/shopping/ethnic_and_regional/European/Spanish. At Spain.com, at Spain. Madrid store offers home decor, kitchen accessories, gift sets, and clothing accessories that feature artisans or products of Spain.